Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video I will tell you how to check or change your Gmail password. Firstly, you have to open your Gmail account. Then click on Google account. Here you can see different option. Click on security option. Scroll down. Now you can see the password option. Click on it. Enter your password. If you have forgotten your Gmail password, then to check it first, go to the setting of mobile phone. Scroll down. Here you can see the Google option. Click on it. Now click on the autofill. Click on autofill with Google. Now you can see the Google password manager. Click on it. Now click on the google.com. Copy your password. Again open your Gmail. Same process. Uh, Paste your password if you open your Gmail account. If you forget your password, then change your password, then forget a password and enter your new password and continue. You have to see if you change your password of Gmail ID. I hope you can change your password. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel for helpful tutorial.